I got a package in the mail today. Some 10W40 engine oil. I got my EBC clutch kit. I got the normal EBC one in my Transhelp, but the one for the dirt riding, but I couldn't find that one anymore. So this one is an Aramid fiber lined friction plate for sports bikes. Okay, and an oil filter. Some Brembo carbon ceramic brake pads, front and rear. I previously bought some Brembo ones when I had the old forks on the Transhelp, only that was the red ones, so they're a bit expensive, but ceramic brake pads will do nicely, I hope. Some lube to lube my cables. For the exhaust, cross washers, some foam grips. Let's see how they'll do. I was working on putting all the cooling parts back and I was missing some quality fittings. Some 12 volts cables. Because of the relocation of the battery, I needed a longer one. And I need to remove some decals from my tank and everything. So with some rubber wheel, hopefully it works good. I bought some aftermarket cooling tubes, because the old ones, you know, they're like 30 years old. They're really nice, thick, but the problem is they're sometimes a bit too thick. Yeah, you have two tubes next to each other and it's a really tight fit. Normally you would have one of the rubber pieces on so it's extra protected. At first I had it on, it just could not fit. So now I left it off. Newer tubes are thicker, so it will probably be fine, but I would have loved to have put it on, but it just does not fit. We'll see how the longevity is. Put some extra inner tubes on here for some extra protection, you know. It's always good. Lots of scraping. slow going. Eventually I did it with this wheel. I was afraid of it getting too hot and damaging the plastic underneath. As you can see, it doesn't damage the plastic underneath. This part was unfortunately already there.